I'm Heather with WTI. Are you a mama and you have to pack extras for everyone and happen to pack a little bit extra for yourself? This well-traveled set fixed my problems when we're traveling. I can make all the things that I want to bring super simple, easy to pack because they compress. You pack these full and then you compress them to suck all the air out, and it makes them fit beautifully for travel. I have never seen such awesome thought to detail. Little carrying handles, any size that you can think of for any item that you need. I love that every single one of these fits into both of our suitcases. So it comes with such a variety of size. They also were thoughtful enough to include a laundry bag. Ha! Very, very cool. They also include little "this belongs to" cards. So in case your bag were to bust open and your bags were to be separated, you have plenty of cards to identify that they're yours. This one cube fits all of my undergarments and swimwear for an entire week. Super convenient. It also makes it easy when you're trying to pick out outfits. Put the outfits together, and then you know what cube you're grabbing for Monday, Tuesday, Friday. Compress the cube to make it as small as possible. Pack it away. Easiest thing ever, and a handle. So much thought to detail on these. I love the quality. I love that the zipper is two-way. Make your travel easier and compress it in these bags from Well Traveled. You will not be disappointed. That's my point of view.